Welcome to Max for You. Today we are going to study rounding of numbers. In this topic we will discuss about rounding off to the nearest tens, rounding off to the nearest hundreds and rounding off to the nearest thousands. In this video we will discuss about the first part, rounding off to the nearest tens. Do you know what are tens? Yes. 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30. Like that, we will get all the tens such as 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. So, rounding off to the nearest tens means rounding the given number to these tens. Let's do some examples. So, first question is 47. That means we have to round 47 to the nearest tens. For that, first we have to find out the nearest tenses. That means in backward and forward we will get two tenses nearest to 47. Let's check what are they. In forward, after 47 we will get 48, 49 and 50. Here we already know that 50 is a tens. Therefore, we got the first tens. Similarly, if we count backward, we will get 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. Here we got the next tens, that is 40. That means 47 lies between the two tenses 40 and 50. From these tenses, we have to find the one which is more closest to 47. Clearly, you can see that 50 is on the third position from 47 and 40 is on the seventh position from 47. So, can you see which one is more closest? Yes, we can see that 50 is more closest to 47. Let's check one more example. 44. Friends, please pause the video and try to find out the nearest tenses. Here our number is 44. So while counting forward and backward, we will get also two tenses, that is 50 and 40. To check which one is more closest, first identify the position of 40 and 50. That is 50 is on the 6th position from 44 and 40 is on the 4th position from 44. So which number is smaller? 4 or 6? Yes, 4 is smaller. That means 40 is more closest to 44. Therefore, we can round 44 to 40. I think it is very clear. This is the concept of rounding. But this method is very time consuming. By counting forward and backward, we lose so much time. So we have an easy method. Let's discuss what are the steps behind this. That is, the first step is when you got a number for rounding to the nearest tens, first underline the last digit of the given number. Then the second step is comparing the last digit with the number 5. That is, if the last digit is 5 or greater than 5, to round the given number to the nearest tens by taking the next tens. So what will happen if the last digit is less than 5? Yes, that is the next step. If the last digit is less than 5, then take the same tens for rounding. If you have any difficulty to read these steps, please check these notes and read once more. For more understanding, we can do some examples now. First question, round the number 38 to the nearest tens. Here we will not going to write forward and backward numbers. Just go through the given steps. Okay. So what is the first step? Yes, underline the last digit. Here our last digit is 8. So underline the last digit. Then what is the next step? Yes, compare the last digit with the number 5. Yes, you can clear that here 8 is greater than 5. So what we take? If the last digit is greater than 5, we have to write the next tens. Here the tens place digit is 3. That is the tens is 30. But the last digit is greater than 5. We have to take next tens for rounding 38 to the nearest tens. That means, what is the next tens? Yes, after 3 tens we have 4 tens. That means 40. So we can round 38 to 40. Look at the next example, 53. To round 53 to the nearest tens, we can use the same steps. So first underline the last digit. Here 3 is the last digit. So clearly 3 is less than 5. So we can use part B of the second step. That is, if the last digit is less than 5, then write the same tens. So look at the given number. What is the tens here? Yes, here the tens is 5. That is 5 tens is 50. So to round 53 to the nearest tens, we should take the same tens because last digit is less than 5. That is 53 is rounded to the same tens, that is 50. Next question is 75. For rounding this number, we can use the same steps. That is, here last digit is 5. Clearly we can use the A part of the second step. That is, last digit is equal to 5. So what we do? If the last digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we can use the next tens. Look at the given number. The tens place digit is 7. That means 7 tens. So what is the next tens is 8 tens. That is 80. Therefore, we can round the given number 75 to the nearest tens is 80. So I think it is very clear now. Let's do one more example, 84. Do it fast. Here the last digit is 4, which is less than 5. So we can use the B part of the second step. Therefore, we can use the same tens, that is 8 tens. So we can round 84 to 80. Next, round 71 to the nearest tens quickly. Yes, last digit is 1, which is less than 5. So we can take the same tens, which is 70. Next, what is the answer while rounding 59 to the nearest tens is? Last digit is 9 greater than 5. So we can take the next tens. So 59 is rounded to 60. One more question. If it is clear, tell me what we'll get when 95 is rounded to the nearest tens. Here the last digit is 5. By using A part of the second step, we can round 95 to the next tens, that is 100. Here the given tens is 9, that is 9 tens. What is after 9 tens? It is 10 tens. So the next tens is 10 tens, which is 100. So 95 is rounded to 100. Is it clear? Till we are discussing about rounding of 2-digit numbers to the nearest tens. By using the same way, we can round any number. Let's do some more examples. Consider the number 346. So what is the last digit in 346? Yes, last digit is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So what we do? Yes, if it is greater than 5, then take the next tens. So given tens is 4. So what is the next tens is 5 tens 50. That means 346 can be rounded to 350. Is it? Next number is 275. In 275, the last digit is 5. Here we should take the next tens. That means here the tens is 7. So next tens is 8 tens 80. So 275 can be rounded to 280. Next number 821. The last digit is 1, which is less than 5. So take the same tens. Here the tens is 2 tens. that is 20. So 821 can be rounded to 820. Friends, here we are winding up today. So this is your homework. Please do it yourself and comment the answer below. Okay friends, thank you for watching and see you soon.